Kia ora whānau, I'm Rāhiri, basically the boss around here.
Yeah, he's the boss around here.
Own all this land. But my favourite thing about my job, my son right here, my favourite son.
Oh, kia ora, my name's Kare. I live with my mum and my dad up in that big hill over there. Soon I'm gonna be the boss. I'm gonna own all this land.
This is my wife.
Kia ora, I'm Whakaruru.
We met at the marae.
Yeah, we just got married last week.
Kia ora, my name's Ahuaiti and this is my baby boy.
Kia ora, my name's Uenuku, or Ue for short, or Nuku, or Uenuku.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
You like my rāke?
Hi.
You hanga i tēnei?
Ne?
Ai.
Hey, pai.
Ai. Taina Mahuta gave me one of his arms for this.
Oh,
Yeah.
ka pai.
Anyway, kia ora tōnua.
Ko Ahuaiti tuku ingoa.
Ooh, Ahuaiti. No here koe.
I'm from around here.
Ooh. Wanna get out of here?
I?
Come on. Let's go. Yeah, actually, you can hold my rāke. Ahuaiti, there's one more thing I have to show you. Out of anything in this land, you can have it all. But I ask you, just don't touch my kumaras.
So I haven't told Uenuku yet, but yeah. The reason his dad left years and years ago was kind of because I ate all of his kumara.
I get bullied at kura. The boys call me Uenuku Kuore, probably because I don't have a dad.
He asked me how to find him, and I just said, you follow the water until it runs salty.
So I've decided to go look for my dad.
Rāhiri te tūpuna.
Pwē, this is all mine.
Ko ai te rai nōna ki tōku taumata.
I'm looking for Rāhiri.
Who are you?
I am you. Who are you?
That's what I said. Who are you?
I am you.
So if you is you and me is me, then who's that?
Oh, my name's Corban.
Jebara. I'm Kaharo.
I'm Uenuku. I'm looking for my dad.
Who did you say your dad was again?
Rāhiri.
Hey, can't be. That's my dad.
That's my dad.
Hey, wait. Where is Dad?
Dad!
Don't go in there, whānau. What's going on here? Oi, who do you think you are touching my son? Kare, get behind me. Who do you think you are, bro?
I'm Uenuku.
Uenuku who? Who's your mum?
Ahuaiti.
Oh, so you are my son. Shut up. Why are you here?
Come to take what's rightfully mine.
This is all mine now.
This is mine.
No, this is mine.
This is my land.
Bro, both of you shut up. I'm gonna split it equally, okay? You'll both have some. I'm gonna make a kite, call it two horonuku, and throw it from the top of this very maunga. Wherever it lands is gonna be the point in which it's separated. Uenuku, my eldest son. You, will own the land on this side. Taitama wahine. Kahare, you, my little young boy, will own the land on this side, the Taitama Tāne. Together, we will protect Ngāpuhi.
Heavenly Father can ease the hurt, just let it go and keep praying on your knees and church.
Yes, I am hopeful for today.
Kia ora. Brother, there's a saying, it goes like this. Ki hai koe he uri no Rāhiri, he hoi ho ke koe. Hea o whakaro e pāna ki tērā. Kia ora, brother. Thank you for your time.
And only the Heavenly Father can ease the hurt, just let it go and keep praying on your knees and church.
Yes, I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it take you away.